left the road behind for the mountain's silver gate, cold air on the windshield and your name on my face.
The peaks stood like giants in their white and holy crowns. Then the water caught the sky and turned the world upside down.
Oh, I held my breath at the edge of dawn. Every step felt small, but my heart ran on. Silent